Welcome to Penelope's Workshop. My name's Jim Gary and today is tool day. I got a new tool and what it is a hydraulic cart that I purchased from Temu, and I'll talk more about that in the video. It's new tool day and that's always a great day, and here's what has arrived. It came from Temu. I don't have a Temu account, but my wife does, so I got her to order it for me. And this is a 300 kilogram hydraulic table cart. And I bought this particular one because I thought it went up higher, because most of these only go up 30 inches, which isn't really enough for a lot of the things I'd like to do with them. But we'll see, because we're about to unpack it and put it together and see how it works. To be honest, I already opened it once, but let's open it again. So I think I can just roll it out. This is the foot pedal. Back to that. And this should just roll out. Then I can move the box out of the way and then roll it back so you can see it. I have to say it rolls around very nicely, so that's good. Let me grab the instructions. The lifting pedal goes in here, so I'll have to cut this tie off. So here's the lifting pedal. Seems to be pretty solid. The wheels are nice and big and seems to roll really well. You can tighten that later. Looks like it just screws in. These are screwed on with Allen keys. Get the right size. And it says to cable tie this up to here, which I can do later. And I believe that's just about it. When I first looked at this, I assumed the handle would go all the way up to tighten it, but it turns out it goes all the way down to tighten it. And these little clips here are supposed to clip it in. Let's see if that works. Yep. Just holds the cable in. So with the handle all the way down, should be able to pump it up. Yep. Seems to be the height, so I'll measure it real quick. So it's right at 30 inches, so I thought I'd got one that would raise it to 40 or so. But it was really confusing looking through the Temu ads because they list what looks like the same machine in different places with different capacities. But this thing was only about 200 bucks. Oh, and it came with this pad to go on top. But nothing to hold it there. I'll have to screw it down or double tape it down or something. So I'm going to go ahead and see if it releases. So it should just go down. There it goes. So it's not too bad for 200 bucks. I was going to buy one at Harbor Freight, but they were like more than that, and they never put them on sale for some reason. I've been watching for like a year. Okay, let's put something heavy on there, relatively heavy. I've got hub. I realized I could just pick this up, but I want to see how it works under load. There's another one. So I've been thinking about this. I'm pretty strong. I go to the gym all the time, work out with weights. But there will come a time when I may not be able to lift things up to get them on the bench, like a transmission or an engine or something. So that's why I wanted to get this. It'll just take the strain off my back. And I did have back surgery back in 2000, so I'm very aware of back issues. So let's see. Put this all the way down. Let's see if we can pump it up. Yep. So if I had something heavy, this would be high enough for me to just put it onto a bench without having to bend over. So I think that's good. It's really heavy. It's not particularly small. I wasn't expecting that. And it's a little chintzy. I mean, I think this lever is bad. It wiggles around. So I'll take this nut and bolt off here and put a washer on either side of that so it doesn't do that. But really, that's just a bicycle cable. Nothing very fancy. But it works, and it was cheap. I thought it might be useful to see how it drops down under load. Does this lever really control it? The instructions say it does. I'll get over to this side. So this lever is supposed to lower it, and the higher you lift it, the faster it should go down. So let's see. Pretty close to all the way up. Yeah, you can adjust it pretty easily. So it's very easy to control going down. Pretty fast and slow it. Yeah. Pretty impressed with that. Let's pump it back up. It's about as easy to pump as you'd expect from a hydraulic thing. It's not hard at all. Although if there were 600 pounds on it, I'm sure it would be a lot harder. I don't know that I'd recommend it or not. It just depends what you're looking for. But why? It took about 2 weeks to get here. It cost about $206, I think. Maybe it was $214. They don't charge shipping. And I understand that the way Temu works is they get around having to pay tariffs because they ship from offshore directly, at least on paper, directly to the customer. So they avoid paying tariffs. I've heard that. I don't know if that's true. So for now, it's cheap. Temu is a good source, I guess, for some things. And I've heard other people say Temu stuff is pretty good. This is my very first experience with it, so we'll see what happens. So that's my initial assembly and impressions on this device. Again, it's what Temu sells is a 300 kilogram hydraulic table cart. So that means theoretically you could lift 660 pounds. I'm not going to try that. I don't have anything handy that I would want to lift right now. But there we go. So let's wrap this video up. All in all, it's a pretty solid thing. I mean, it weighed 127 pounds, 58 kilograms itself. So it's pretty heavy duty steel. The only thing that seemed subpar on it to me was the handle that lowered it and controlled the hydraulic cylinder. It just seemed like a cheapo bicycle brake handle like from the 60s or something with it. But it worked. And the other thing, it's the way the handle's mounted is a little wobbly. I'm going to take it off and put some washers on either side of it so that at least the handle won't flop around so much. But it did an effective job controlling the dropping of the cart tabletop down, even with a relatively heavy load on it. So I was pretty happy with that. It also has rear wheels that both swivel and lock, but the front wheels are rigid and they don't lock, but that's fine. So pretty good impression, I think. I wished it had gone higher, but again, it was confusing looking through the ads to find one that went up higher. 30-inch seems to be the standard, but there are some that go up 48 inches, but I guess they're a lot more expensive. But I'm happy enough with what I got. So with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.